School Principal, Dr. Jefferson Amrunat, our Vice President, for External Affairs, Sir Julius C. Malaferte, Sir Roy C. Sola, Honorable Guest Speaker, our committee teachers, our dear parents, friends, and classmates, a wonderful and a blessed afternoon. Today is a big day because we are having our moving up. I want to say a big thank you to our teachers for teaching us how to read, write, and count. It really made our learning so much fun. Thank you to our moms and dads for loving and helping our homework every day. You are our superheroes. Thank you to my friends for playing and sharing with me. I will miss you all, but I am excited for our next journey in life, especially our first grade. Congratulations, class of 2026. Finally, we did it.
Yay!